So we back round two.
Put those cameras back in there.
That was round 2.
Okay. Watch, I'm gonna show you my dad.
Who is my next top model?
Me. Ayana Dasani May Patrice Bowman.
Let's see.
Nick Hammer and
Hey, do your dance.
That's his name. What,
bitch,
this
you don't know
dance?
my life. Why did my cousin pick that?
My move? My walk? What?
Yeah.
What does he say?
He said, "Yeah, Corey, I can make videos too, nigga. You want to go to war? We have all his
Let's
video
see your
time.
dance.
Which one?
Everybody shooting videos.
What dance are you going to do when you're on the show?
I don't know. It's your dad. I get older, I have to make one. Is that your dad?
What's your favorite dance right now?
Who's she?
Let's see it.
Do they like you? Octopus.
Little Ayana.
Where's your dad, AJ?
These niggas keep going dumb. Alright, we're gonna get to the point because